clean target face, camera to record the shots, and 100 yards way back there. All right, so we're gonna walk 100 yards. We're gonna shoot Stealth Fighter. Stealth Fighter is the Fighter series pistol that comes with a threaded barrel. Because it has a threaded barrel, we're putting on a little goodness from Huck's Works. The Flow 9K tie. It's their new titanium 3D printed can. Very impressive. Just past 50 yards. Trying to walk fast to keep the length of the video as short as possible. This is an X series pistol. Normally tested at 50 yards. It's already passed its 50-yard test. That was easy. So now we're gonna do 100 yards. And let me drop the tailgate here on the buggy. All right. You can see the stuff we got here, right there, and right there. This is a very nice product. Okay, set this up on the back of the buggy here. I think we got it good. All right, 10 shots, 100 yards. Okay, magazine out, slide back. All right, we're going to go 100 yards and see how this thing did. All right, so looked pretty good from where I was at. I think might have a little bit of vertical on it. I saw one go high and then they started settling in, and there might be a low one. We'll see. We'll see. 100 yards. Coming up on the 50-yard marker right here. Again, everybody in Accuracy X Nation that have been following us for a long time, you know this is just what we do. But for everybody that's new, welcome. We appreciate you watching, appreciate your interest. This is how we routinely test our products, because we want to make sure that nobody has to take our word for anything. Proof's in the pudding, and we're proud of what we do. We work hard at it, and we like to show how our stuff is different. Okay, so first of all, I see we shot a question mark. Look at that, isn't that funny? It's like a question mark. So that was the first shot. I remember seeing it, and you know, first shot, sometimes you shoot shot last, it can throw a flyer. So the overall group, well, let's test these. Let's look at these first. Let me get reverted back to monkey meter. Stop it. There we go. All right, let's see what the height is. That is a 1.4 inch group by a 1 inch wide group. So 1.4, heck, let's just call it 1.5, I don't care. 1.5 inches by 1 inch wide. Now, this very first shot, let's count it. Let's count it. It's 2 inches, 2.2, 2.3 inches. Guys, look at that. That is remarkable. All right, that is 9 shots right there, in consecutive shots in a row. I'm pretty sure this was the first shot. Well, the video will know when I go back and we look at it. 9 consecutive shots. Half the size of the X-Ring at 100 yards. That's why we're known as the maker of the world's proven most accurate pistols. You're not going to see this anywhere else. So like, subscribe, send it to your friends, show them what remarkable looks like, because that's remarkable. I mean, it's almost ridiculous at this point. 100 yards, that's a long way, man. That is way, way, way back there in that shadow. You see the base back there? 100 yards. You know, we make some really, really accurate rifles. They just happen to be in the shape of pistols. Guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one, hold them hard. Little bonus footage, guys. So you just saw us shoot 10 shots at 100 yards in a group that was essentially 1.5 inches by 1 inch. We had the one flyer on the very first shot. Even with that, it was still about a 2 inch tall group with one out. This is the target, okay? That was the first shot. There's the next 9 shots in a row once things settled in. Absolutely remarkable. And this little guy was attached to our stealth fighter, our X-Series stealth fighter. What an awesome combination. What an awesome combination. Truly remarkable. Thanks for watching, guys.